Hi everyone, the reason behind iPhones having a built-in compass app is quite fascinating. You see, a compass is a device that has been used for centuries to determine direction. It consists of a magnetized needle that aligns itself with the Earth's magnetic field, pointing towards the magnetic North Pole. In the past, compasses were primarily used by sailors and explorers to navigate the vast oceans and uncharted territories. They relied on this simple yet ingenious tool to find their way and avoid getting lost. Fast forward to the present day, and we find ourselves in a world where technology has become an integral part of our lives. Smartphones, like the iPhone, have revolutionized the way we communicate, work, and navigate through the world. The inclusion of a compass app in iPhones serves multiple purposes. Firstly, it provides users with a convenient and easily accessible tool to determine their direction. Whether you're hiking in the mountains, exploring a new city, or simply trying to find your way around, the Compass app can be a valuable companion. Additionally, the Compass app is also used in conjunction with other apps and features on the iPhone. For example, it can be utilized by mapping applications to provide more accurate directions. By combining GPS data with the compass's ability to determine direction, users can have a more precise understanding of where they are and where they need to go. Furthermore, the Compass app can be utilized by augmented reality (AR) applications. AR technology overlays digital information onto the real world, enhancing our perception and interaction with our surroundings. By utilizing the compass's ability to determine direction, AR apps can provide users with a more immersive and realistic experience. In conclusion, the inclusion of a built-in compass app in iPhones serves both practical and technological purposes. It allows users to determine their direction easily, enhances mapping applications, and contributes to the development of augmented reality experiences. So, the next time you find yourself needing to navigate through unfamiliar territory, remember that your iPhone has a trusty compass app ready to guide you. Thanks for watching.